All right, guys. So the reason I'm making these videos because when I was searching for how to create a Azure function locally, the videos that I saw on YouTube and in the documentation of Azure seems like it's not updated. So they normally use the VSCODE extension and it's not the same when I use it here. So I saw a lot of people having the same problems. So I found how to do this with command line and it works for me. So I'm going to teach you this and it's updated. So it will work for you too. So first of all, let's see here. You can go to Learn Azure, or I'm going to put Azure Functions. And I'm going to see this link here, Learn Microsoft. Okay, so where you can find here, you can go to command line, and I'm using JavaScript. So if you use another language, you can choose, but okay, JavaScript. And then here is all the instructions that you need to do. It's very simple, you know. So the code will be this one, the command. So I will copy it. I'm going to my okay, so I can code local function proj. And okay, let's see how to create the first function now. Let's see this one. I'm going to write only this. I'm going to put, for example, HTTP trigger. All right. So yeah, that's it. We don't need to do nothing more. This is very simple. So now you have your function and you can code it here. And okay, let's try to run it. So it will be func start. I can go to this URL. And yeah, that's all. So let's try a simple fetch. So you can, there is the star towards API. Let's just get a simple URL request. Okay, let me try this here. Slash pip. Okay, I think this should work. I don't know. It's slash people slash one. Okay, I think this should work. So let me try here. Some. Yeah, all right. So I'm going to install here Access. I'm going to const Axios wire. And here I will delete this and put const response equals with Axios.get. I think this should work. Okay, so when I hit this, I will see the return of this endpoint here. Okay, so this is one thing that you should know. I don't know, but let me see here. Node slash p. Okay, it's already using 16. I was getting some problem with version 18, and then response data. This is the problem. I'm going to put into a try catch to see what's going on. Okay, so it's working. All right, so here is our Azure function. It's very simple like this. What I was going to say is that when I was trying to do this Azure function, a fetch with Axios or the native fetch, whatever you're using, if you use the node version 18, I was using the 18. I was getting a problem. I couldn't fetch with anything, with fetch with Axios or whatever. So I needed to use NVM to change the node version to 16, and it's working right now. So if you're getting some trouble with fetching, you can try another version of node. And I think this is the problem with the version. I'm not sure if only with 18 or but if you run into any problem like this, you can try to switch to another version. So yeah, that's it. And I think that this helped you. And if you like the video, if you understand what I'm saying, if you have any question, you can write in the comments, and I will be glad to help you. That's it.